Hello, my dearest students! Today we are going to learn how to write English essays. This will help you with your exams such as IELTS and TOEFL. Now that I mention it, don't forget to check our videos on IELTS and TOEFL. I have already prepared them for you. For those who are new here, hi, I'm Teacher Melike, nice to meet you. Welcome and welcome back to EnglishCentral. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting updates. Now, let's get started. Okay then, let's start from the beginning. Title. An essay should have a descriptive and engaging title that reflects the content and focus of the essay. Now, let's move on to introduction. An essay must start with an introduction paragraph. The introduction serves to introduce the topic of the essay and provide background information or context. It includes a thesis statement, which is the main argument or point that the essay will address. It is also important to grab the reader's attention right in this paragraph. So you need to add a sentence that will do it for you, which we call a hook. It can be an inspiring statement by a famous person that is also related to your essay, a shocking info about your topic, or a question like, have you ever thought about? Blah, blah, blah. The body of the essay consists of multiple paragraphs, each focusing on a separate point or argument related to the thesis statement. The number of the body paragraphs in an English essay can vary depending on the length and the complexity of the essay, as well as specific requirements of the assignment. However, a standard essay typically consists of 3 to 5 body paragraphs. Each body paragraph starts with a topic sentence that introduces the main idea of the paragraph. Each paragraph should be logically organized and flow from one to the next. The body of the essay is where you talk about the topic in hand in the most detailed way. You explain your ideas and thoughts here, but wait, are you looking for a topic to write an essay about? Then you're in luck. We have over 30,000 video lessons and 200 plus video courses. Click on the link in the description box to visit our website and check our content out. From business to daily life and to hobbies, we have many topics here. Feel free to get inspired. You can also ask our teachers for help during your one-on-one live lessons. Now we offer you group lessons too, and your first lesson is for free. But for now, let's continue. We said paragraphs should be logically organized to flow smoothly. This is where I'd like to talk about transitions. Transitions are used to connect the ideas and paragraphs within the essay, helping to maintain coherence and flow. Transitional words and phrases such as furthermore, however, in addition, and apart from this can be used to indicate the relationships between ideas. Conclusion summarizes the main points of the essay and restates the thesis statement. It should not introduce a new information, but instead provide a final thought or reflection on the topic. The conclusion may also suggest implications or applications of the essay's arguments and provide a sense of closure. References or works cited, if applicable. This last one may not be applicable to all essays. Mostly academic essays have this last part. If the essay includes references to external sources, a list of references or a works cited page must be included at the end of the essay, or it is considered plagiarism, which means stealing somebody else's hard work, and that is quite unethical. The references should be formatted according to the appropriate citation style, as an example, MLA or APA. And there you have it. This is how you can write an English essay. Would you like to learn more? Keep watching our channel and you will find out. Or if you feel impatient, you can click on the link in the description box and visit our website to learn more about it. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to comment. I'm thrilled to see what you guys think. Until next time, take care.